Yo, what's up guys? So welcome back to part 2 of how to make a magic projectile. Today we're gonna be looking at the effects and some more stuff. Alright. So first we wanna call this wind actually. I'm gonna leave a link to these two meshes in the description. So yeah. You wanna press plus whenever I send them. So you want to press plus and you want to replace this mesh ID with this one, and you just want to make it neon, and there you have it. So when you have that, you can do the same for this one. So when we have this, we're just gonna scale it down to like here and here. So we want to put it inside the magic handler and effects. Alright, so now we can do up here, create another tree after we of course implement the effects. So shockwave effects dot shockwave clone shockwave dot parent equals workspace shockwave dot cframe equals rock dot cframe. Should we do cframe or should we do position? Let's do cframe. Let's do cframe. Then we can see how that goes. Then we want to do local wind, and then we just want to do rock cframe as well, and we want to call this wind. Alright, now that we have that, let's go test it out. So they both seem to get put in the right place. Alright. Did we even anchor them? Yes. Masses. Same goes for that. Alright. So now let's tween it. And here we want to do shockwave. And here we want to do wind. So all we want to tween is just the size equals vector3.new, and we want to go look at the wind size. So we should keep that one in the middle as it is, but the rest we should do like 6. Oh shit, 0.0 like 7 should be good. And then we want to do 6 as well for the last one. And here we just want to do like quick 0.8 seconds. And in the table over here, want to do comma, and you want to do transparency equals 1. And here we can mess with the easing style. So let's do quad, and let's do easing direction. Let's do in. Sorry, I'm still sick. I just wanna actually copy this almost, and this should just be the same. So let's just make this 7, 7, 7. Alright. Jackpot. Alright. Let's check it out. Alright. Right now it's very simple. I'm just alright. looking. So the wind we want to change up, we want to make that much bigger. That's what she said. Alright, so here we want to do 1.6, and this time you just want to make it linear, and you want to do orientation. And here we just want to experiment, honestly. Let's do 1000 instead. Whoops. So let's try it again. Yeah, so now you just saw it spin around like crazy. Actually, want to make this size a little bigger, and let's change it to 1. Let's try it again. Okay, so now we see there's a little effect. It's pretty good. The only problem right now is that it's too small, so let's change this one. You can obviously change it to however you like. Like, this is just me being me. So yeah, now we see we got a little effect. All we need to do now is just change this one. We want to make an orientation for that as well. So shockwave, and here we can actually do some math at random. Let's do like 2 minus 100, so 100. Let's do like this, and then we just add 2 and delete 1, and then just copy that over here. Now we're gonna get like a very random effect. Like that, you see? Now I think it looks way too small right now, so let's up the size. You can always lower the size again. You don't want it to look weak. Like that. Alright. And I think we chose a different easing direction. Let's go test this out. There's a lot of testing when you do tweening. Like it's unreal how much testing there is. Yeah, much better. Alright. So now that we have that, we can go. What should we do? We should do animations. Yeah. Alright. So we should use Moon Animator. And let's just make a kick. Should we do? Let's just do like a hand thing. So, this is gonna be a very simple animation. Like, do like this, move it over here, like this, Damn, that looks fucking weird. Sorry. Sorry. Alright. Let's zoom in a little bit. Copy that. Make it like that. That should be all. I don't want to make this any further. It's just gonna take too much time. Let's take that. Put it in here and call it like, what should we call it? Like, yeah. Dude, my names on my things is like so simple. Holy. Alright, load animation. Anims dot hand. Alright. Then we just wanna play it right here, right? And play. Then just do a little delay, like 0.3. Oops. 0.3. Actually let's do 0.5 just to check it out. I completely forgot. I'm using R15 right now. Also, just before we do it again, let's tween the rock. And we want to tween the transparency equals 0. So now whenever it spawns in, the transparency goes to 0, and in here we just want to quickly change the transparency to 1. So now it's gonna get a little cool effect whenever you press set. So yeah, it looks pretty stupid, but it is what it is. Also, we need to remove the parts again. If you already did this, you're a good scripter. I'm just bad. But make it 0.8. That should be good. And let's make it 0.4. Shockwave. Alright, so now that we have all that, we can add some sounds. So let's go to sounds, audio, and let's search up explosion. Just gonna choose this one. This is overused sounds, by the way. When you do it like this, you need to import your own or really search it through. So let's do explosion. Goddammit. So you want to do rule of max distance, like let's actually do 200 or 150. And then you want to do local explosion equals sounds dot explosion clone explosion dot parent equals from repeat, and then you just want to play. And last thing, want to do game.debris add item explosion, and just want to do 2 because it's 2 seconds long. Alright. Yeah, now that's the sound. Alright. So now that we have that, I think we should be done. Nah, one more thing. Let's add some tweening. And we also need debounces. I completely forgot about that. It's my bad. So let's do even up here. And you want to do velocity. Then you just want to do even up here, the look vector, and x minus like 60 should be fine. Actually, let's do 80. And now it's gonna like tween the enemy backwards. It's a good thing whenever you're working with projectiles. Make sure if it's an explosion, make sure that you're doing it like on the enemy humanoid rule part and not yours. So instead of the way you're looking, it flies that way. You should do where it's looking, it fires backwards, like this. Look vector. Did I spell that wrong? What did I do wrong? Oh. Make sure you do C-frame, the look vector. This is not the first time I forgot that, by the way. You forget so much when you have not scripted for a while. So yeah, now it's backwards. It can be a bit laggy, but you can of course. This is why we use easing styles and add them. And maybe not that much. And we can also change this. And then we want to take it up actually. Okay, there's nothing we can do about that. But it is what it is. It's Roblox. If you want to do it smoother, you need to go in a local script and do it. So, yeah. Now the debounce. This is gonna be in the next never mind. I'll just do it now. But give me 2 seconds. Alright, so how this works is that oh shit, I was talking to the mic, wasn't it? So how this works is that it's a table, it's a global value, it's a table. And it checks if there's any users that are in the table already. And if they're not, then it will create a new one right here for them, for the character. And it will put values inside it. So you could put 2 values, you could put 3 values, you could put a number value in there. But for now, for the debounce, we're just going to put 1 value inside there. So we want to do if, and you can copy this and do if, and you want to do 1 because it's the first one right here. If we were to add 2, and I wanted to get the second value, I would have to do 2, but we're using 1. So if the first one is equal to false, then I'm gonna add an n down here so it doesn't give error, and just tab all that. and you want to do, then it equals true. And let's put a second 10-second cooldown on it. So then function, and you just want to do equals false again. So that's pretty much it. You have a whole projectile script, and you can customize it however you want. I mean, it's up to you. But this is the code. I'll probably leave this exact code in the description, just because if you guys miss anything in it or something, I don't know. But yeah, I'll leave it in the description. You can go grab it there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.